These days, everything we do seems to require more and more electricity. Certain products are switching to electric, like cars, while others, like AI, are requiring more power overall. In the midst of this, it's more important than ever to have a reliable home backup solution. And that's where I'm super excited to share a first look at the new Anker SOLIX E10. It's the world's first smart hybrid whole home backup solution. It's super easy to use, includes a turbo 10 kilowatt output, and much more, so let's get into it. And a special thanks to Anker SOLIX for sponsoring this video. The Anker SOLIX E10 is a brand new whole home backup solution that includes a few different pieces, so let's jump right in and unbox this system. E10 is the most powerful, long-lasting whole home backup system, and it combines battery, solar, and a DC generator into one seamless system. Now, for energy storage, there are two components. First is the E10 power module with a total input power of 9,000 watts, and then you have the Anker SOLIX B6000 battery module. Each one of these is rated for 6,144 watt-hours. As for the switch here, you have two options. There's the Anker SOLIX Power Dock with 200 amp max grid connection current, or the Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. This has a max input power of 7,680 watts. The next component here is the generator with the Smart Generator 5500. What's especially cool about this is it takes three different fuel types: gasoline, propane, and natural gas. So to start, let's unbox the Anker SOLIX Power Dock. All right, so first we have all the cables that your professional installer is going to be using. And then right away we can see what this looks like. So I think it's pretty clear right off the bat. This is where all of your circuits will end up. Here's a bunch of the requirements and everything. And then this is where everything will communicate with it and connect. So batteries, the extender, everything else we're talking about interfaces right here with the whole system. The power dock is the matrix behind the infinite power of this system. It enables smart energy control with a 200 amp grid equivalent capacity, instant power switch in under 20 milliseconds, storm guard mode, 12 circuit intelligent load management, and utility savings with solar integration and time of use. Thanks to its modular split design, it's adaptable to any setup for an easy installation and easy to expand in a DIY fashion. Also, it's NEMA 4 for ultimate protection from the elements. Then what makes it so great is its multi-source power connectivity. This includes all-type PV connectivity up to 24 kilowatt standby generator pass-through, and even more future ecosystem integration. For manual whole home energy control, though, you can effortlessly alternatively install the Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. You just plug it in and it's ready to go with smart energy savings. It's solar compatible, has a backup port for outages, and saves you money on your power bill. So that's what will connect this whole system, but of course, what about the batteries? Now this is the piece that connects the batteries to the entire system, so let's open this one up. Here we have one of the battery modules, and then the power module is what integrates with that. As you can see in some of these illustrations, you have many different options as to how you're going to mount this, and that's what makes this so cool and so flexible. Here we have one battery module, and onto that we'll stack the power module so that this whole system integrates. Let's go ahead and do that right here. As you can see, it stacks really easily, and then you have all of the ports so that all of this will integrate. It's a really simple system, and the best part is that I can just add battery modules whenever I want to. They just stack right in. This module supports a total input power of 9,000 watts, turbo output power of 10 kilowatts, and ultimately is what integrates with the B6000 battery module. This single module has a capacity of 6,144 watt-hours or 6.144 kilowatt-hours, and it has a total input power of 6,000 watts. The enclosure is also NEMA 4 rated, and that means that it is, quote, primarily intended for outdoor use and offers a superior level of protection from corrosion and extreme environments. What's so cool about these is how modular this design is. So you take the batteries here. This is just one of these packs, but you can do multiple. And then the power module stacks right on top. Now, many home systems like this that are expandable require a wiring expansion, but the SOLIX design stands out because it's simply plug and play, and there are no visible cables for the batteries themselves. So as you expand this system, it doesn't look like you're expanding it. It looks like it was integrated from the start. Then when connecting the power module to the power dock, it is simply plug and play. But the next piece of the puzzle here to enable unlimited generation is the Smart Generator 5500. This takes 3 types of fuel, gasoline, propane, and natural gas, with an output voltage of 400 volts. What many people don't realize with home backup systems is that heavy loads aren't necessarily supported just because you have a large battery. But the Anker SOLIX E10 can confidently run a 5-ton central AC. Its 10 kilowatt turbo mode instantly boosts the output up to 10 kilowatts for up to 90 minutes to handle surge-intensive devices like AC compressors and power tools without dimming lights or tripping circuits. Most battery systems focus only on continuous output, but real homes use power in bursts. Think about dinner time, for example. You have the stove, the oven, the microwave, all on at the same time, and many systems will struggle when all of a sudden you're using a lot of devices at once. Another example could be when you first wake up in the morning. Maybe all of a sudden you wake up and need to run the air conditioning while using a bunch of different electronic devices at the same time to get you ready for your day. This can handle that with no problem. Even a central AC runs smoothly and continuously under heavy loads. Most backup systems falter when these types of appliances start up, but this doesn't. That's because this works in tandem with up to 275 amps of LRA, or locked rotor amperage. The 10 kilowatt turbo output on the Anker SOLIX E10 is how much power it can deliver to keep big appliances running after they turn on, while LRA is the burst of electrical current needed to actually start heavy motors like air conditioners and pumps. You need both for a whole home backup to work the way that this does, and with 2 modules, this means you can start up a 5-ton and 3-ton AC without issue. But it's not just AC. You get 100% home coverage with the 200 amp main panel connections, matching standard residential capacity and powering every circuit in your home. Next, what I particularly love about this system is how it's modular and expandable. And I've talked about this a little bit, but you can expand it entirely on your own with batteries that expand from 6 kilowatt hours up to 90 kilowatt hours. They're stackable plug-and-play modules that enable your home to be backed up during daily outages to week-long blackouts. With that comes 27 kilowatt PV input to harvest the sun, and their hybrid backup, which runs on fuel at 5 times the efficiency of traditional generators. Now, for that 5x efficiency, there are 2 breakthroughs here. DC direct charging, so there's no AC to DC conversion, which means 0 energy lost. Then with steady generator operation, it runs at an optimal rate, and the battery manages any of the load fluctuations. Essentially, it's like highway cruising versus city stop and go. You're going the same distance, but it requires less fuel. Backing up your home is one thing, but not having to think about it, that's where the Anker SOLIX E10 takes it to the next level. When the grid drops, your home switches to backup in under 20 milliseconds. That means no pause, no rebooting of devices, not even a flicker. In practice, you don't even notice that there's an outage. Then generators typically require some maintenance and thought, but the Smart Generator 5500 automatically performs regular self-tests and sends maintenance reminders via the app. No guesswork involved. The modular design also makes everything DIY friendly. All connectors, battery packs, and solar accessories just plug in. Now, none of this would be complete without their great app. The Anker SOLIX app makes sure that you're always in control, but it has a ton of smart features like auto load management with algorithms that detect outage stages and balance loads automatically. These automatically prioritize essential appliances. StormGuard intelligently forecasts potential outages and automatically switches to full charge mode before the grid fails, ensuring that your backup always starts at 100%. Now, with all of this advanced battery and hybrid technology often comes the important question of safety.
And Anker SOLIX has the best safety around for this product.
This is the first compact home energy storage system certified to UL 9540 and UL 9540A, which are the most rigorous US standards for home energy safety. Every individual model has passed thermal's runway, fire containment, and propagation tests to ensure reliable protection at the residential level. For installation, there are very high standards, and then a NEMA 4 rating means that this can endure extreme heat, cold, vibration, flooding, and hurricane-level winds, operating reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. With this vast list of benefits must come a high cost, right? Well, on the contrary. The Anker SOLIX E10 will help slash your power bills by up to 80% with active daily use. Low-cost energy is prioritized first, and then smart time-of-use scheduling charges the battery when rates are low and then powers your home when rates peak. You can also set it up manually if you prefer. In practice, the Anker SOLIX E10 with Smart Inlet Box can save you up to $6,129 per year, paying you back in only 2.07 years. One debate you often see online comes along the lines of, can batteries really replace generator power?
Well, at the E10 launch event, Anker SOLIX made it clear that it can with this hybrid solution.
It's the first ever DC range extended technology in this space, redefining the market with the claim that is now true: infinite power and uncompromised living. This system is incredibly smart, automatically balancing loads to extend backup time for critical appliances and maximizing efficiency at every energy source. This reduces grid dependence and significantly lowers energy costs. On top of that, you can maintain continuous power for all of your critical appliances thanks to that instant backup in under 20 milliseconds. That smart generator also runs automatically, intelligently starting and stopping to reduce noise and emissions while optimizing all types of fuel use. The Anker SOLIX E10 is a brand new system, and they're offering a lot of great perks for ordering now with my link. First, there's early access. Pay $10 to receive $500 off during the first sale. You'll also get E10 themed building blocks and a Troy Aikman branded gift set. On top of that, comment below for a chance to win your own Troy Aikman GWP box. This will be available for 3 winners that comment. Also, you can get a $100 gift card by purchasing with my link in the description below. Then complete your purchase to receive an accessory bundle valued at $367, the Anker SOLIX PS400 portable solar panel valued at $899, and 3x Anker SOLIX member credits. There's also a 3-year warranty extension available for this product. As you can see, there are a bunch of great perks for ordering now, and you can get this deal by clicking the link in the description below, so check it out.